Hi, so welcome back. This is Prachi.
This is Ayushi. Today we are going to suggest your top 12 movies and series for you all to watch. And first we'll start with the movies. So the first movie right now which is very trending is Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl. So this movie just came out on Netflix. And for those people who have seen it, they agree it's the most inspiring movies right now. The movie is about a girl who had a dream since childhood to become a pilot, but due to some circumstances she couldn't be a pilot, so she joined Indian Air Force to fulfill her dream to become a pilot. So in that movie they have shown her struggle of being accepted in the Indian Air Force, because during that time she was the only female member in that Air Force. So technically it's a very inspiring movie, so please watch. Number 2 movie on our list is Shakuntala Devi.
Shakuntala Devi. So this is a very extraordinary story of Shakuntala Devi. And she was world famous mathematician who lived her life on her own tongue. And she was also known as a human computer. And this film pays tribute to her genius mind and her relationship with her daughter and their different struggles.
Number 3 is The Kissing Booth. So on number 3 is the movie Kissing Booth 1 and 2. This movie is a rom-com. In this movie, there's this girl who handles her friendship, and alongside in which she falls in love with her best friend's brother. So throughout the movie, part 1 and part 2, they have shown how she has to handle her relationship and friendship and the difficulties which come along the way.
The next movie is Lucas. This one is the comedy one. The character named Nandan Kumar come across a suitcase full of a cash, and he knows nothing about who it belongs to or where it is from or how it got there. So he has to decide to take it or leave it, and that creates a chaos in his life. It's a bhagam bhag type. It's a comedy one, so you should watch it.
Okay. So on the list is next 365 Days. This movie is where a woman is imprisoned by a mafia boss, and he gives her 1 year to fall in love with her.
So next is 5 Feet Apart. So this one is a very, very beautiful story. There's a 17-year-old girl who spends most of her time in hospital due to some serious medical condition, and her life is full of routine, boundaries, self-control. So this other day she meets a boy, very handsome and charming, who has the same illness. They must keep the safe distance between them. So as their connection grows, so does the temptation to throw the rules and restrictions and to hold attraction.
The next movie on our list is The Joker. So this movie is a very serious drama movie. So basically in this movie there's this man who is very lonely. He's a failed comedian, and basically the world treats him very badly. He is bullied by a lot of people in his life, and he goes through continuous traumatic moments in his life, which it leads him to madness, and slowly he turns into a mastermind criminal.
Okay, so our next movie is Notebook. It's a romantic drama based on a true story, and it's very beautiful and different love story from the other love stories. So two young lovers, I guess in 1940s, were separated by their class difference, and then the destiny brings them back together. So guys, those who haven't watched, please watch it.
It's a beautiful movie. It's a very beautiful movie. Please watch it. Okay, the next on our list is The Intern. So this movie is a comedy, and in this movie there's a 70-year-old man who isn't fit for a retirement, so he wants to work more. So he applies for a senior internship under a career-focused woman, and this woman works in a fashion site blog, and they show his journey and his how he helps her boss and their difficulties.
Okay, so our next movie is Mardani. So in Mardani 1, there is this senior inspector, Shivani Shivaji Roy, and she's a very strong, dedicated officer at the Mumbai Police Force. So she worked hard to uncover a Delhi-based child trafficking in her first Mardani, part 1. And in part 2, there's this guy named Sunny. He's a psychopath working for some politician, and he brutally rapes and murders innocent women and leaving a trail of bodies. However, Shivani Shivaji Roy pledged to catch and bring him to justice.
Alright, the next movie is Marley and Me. So this is a comedy movie, and those people who love dogs, please watch this movie. So basically, there's this couple. After they are married, they are unable to conceive a child. So they decide to get a dog to get some happiness into their lives. And this dog teaches them life lessons. They have their complete family. This is a whole journey about the couple and the dog, and how their family evolves. It's a very beautiful movie. So please watch it.
Our next movie is It. It's a horror movie. 7 helpless and bullied children are forced to face their worst nightmares. And there's this clown and ancient evil who torture children before feeding on them.
It's also a comedy. It's not all horror. And so basically whoever will watch it, they'll have their fun and also their horror part. So okay, that's it for our movies. Next is our TV series. So the first TV series that we suggest is Money Heist. So in this series, a bunch of thieves are approached by one mastermind who calls himself the Professor, and together they plan to have the biggest heist ever done in the history. So they show their challenges, they show how they plan the whole thing, and those who have a thing for adrenaline rush, please watch it. It's a very fun series.
So the next is Friends. Yeah. Who doesn't know Friends, right? So it's the most hilarious show ever. It's the journey of 6 friends which will make you laugh and cry both. Guys, whenever you feel stressed or overloaded by your work, it's a stress reliever. Just watch this show. The series actually teaches us not to be, too much serious in life. Be simple, be cool, and trust in self. And if any one of you all haven't watched it, please do watch. It's the best series ever. It's my favorite.
It's a perfect series to binge watch if you have nothing to do. Alright, so the next series in our list is Sex Education. So in this series, there's a student named Otis, whose mother is a sex therapist. So she has all these sessions at homes where Otis tends to hear and he gains a lot of knowledge about sex education basically. So in this series, he starts giving advice to his friends that whatever issues they are having during their sexual affairs, and in exchange for money. So it's a very funny series, and you learn
It's very
something as
interesting.
well. Yeah.
So our next one is Breathe Into the Shadows. This is an Indian crime drama. There's this 6-year-old girl who's been kidnapped by a fully masked man, and to save his daughter, her father must kill someone. You'll have to see how far her father goes to protect, her daughter. And guys, trust me, Abhishek Bachchan has done a very great job. So watch it.
Okay, so next on our list of series is Peaky Blinders. Okay, so Peaky Blinders is a series about where a man named Tommy Shelby and his family are gang members called Peaky Blinders. Throughout the series, they have shown their missions and what they are into and how they deal with everything of their business, and it's a very nice series to binge watch. It's a crime drama series, so people will enjoy it.
Okay, so our next one is Stranger Things. Series is all about the supernatural forces. So when a young boy vanishes from a town, this town uncovers some mystery involving secret experiments and secret missions, terrifying supernatural forces, and there's this one strange girl with this supernatural powers, and she solved all the mystery.
So next series is Four More Shots. So many people must have already watched it. It's a very fun series. In this series, there's this group of 4 girls who have the messiest lives and their own personal drama. And the series is just about how they get through over their dramas together, and just about friendship and personal growth. So it's a very nice, funny series. Especially
it's all about feminism. Okay, so our next series is The Vampire Diaries. It's one of my favorite series, and it's one of the best. Yeah, okay, R. It's one of the best vampire series. It contains everything a viewer needs, which is probably love, friendship, and mainly brotherhood. And this can make you feel all sort of emotions. At some point, I was obsessed with this series, and of course, after watching TVD, we'll have to watch the original. The original focuses on the original and the strongest family of vampires in the history, and this show will somehow change your perception about family and mainly brotherhood. It's best series.
The next series on our list is Suits. In this series, there's a man who's a college dropout named Mike Ross. He accidentally finds himself at a place where the most famous lawyer named Harvey Specter is taking interviews for his law firm, and the interview is filled with only Harvard students, and Mike Ross just goes for the interview, and looking at how much knowledge he has, since he has eidetic memory, Harvey Specter hires him, and together they keep it a secret that he's not a Harvard student, and together they overcome their cases. So it's a very smart series. So people who are into law or into knowledge, gaining knowledge, this is a very nice series.
So our next one is How I Met Your Mother. Guys, I just love everything about this show. It has successfully reveal the cycle of life, explaining how we meet people, and before we know it, they become our family. And it has proven time and again that family is not just by blood. It's a very beautiful story of Millie and Marshall. And the show, besides being entertaining, it will, give you the most important life lessons. It has shown growth, love, happiness, friendship, strength, and true love, friendship, and everything. This one is the best series.
Okay, so the last series in our list is Elite. I'm sure many people must have watched it. So basically, it's a teenage drama thriller series where, so this is high school in which they take 3 scholarship students from different school which do not have the same standards of the students that they already have in college. So there's this differences that form along these students, and basically because of all these intense dramas and fights, so because of these differences it leads to a murder. So this series, it's a full suspense series where they try to find out who murdered the fellow friend of theirs. And it's a very nice series. It's a Spanish series, so people will enjoy it. And for those who have a liking for suspense and thrillers, it's a very nice series. So that's it. We are done with our list of top movies and series.
So yeah, I guess we are done. Hope that you all liked it. We have given you so much of information here.
I'm sure you all will enjoy all these movies and series. Comment down below if you all have already watched or are watching after this video, and tell us how you like that movie.
Yes, please like, share, subscribe, and let us know in the comment box.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.